Hello, I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. So as you might already be able to tell by the title of this video, I recently got the iPhone 14 Pro. I love watching unboxing videos, so if you'll indulge me for the next 15 seconds. So I decided to film the majority of my Christmas vlog using this iPhone just to play around with it and test it out. So anytime I'm talking to the camera in like selfie mode, I'm using the front camera, and anytime I'm not talking to the camera, I'll be using the back camera. It is the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. We are braving the... oh, sorry. I thought you were gonna turn, it was red.
Wow. Do you really think I don't know how to... What is it?
Drive? You are the stereotype, we both are.
Shut up.
Yeah, well, we are braving the shopping centres on the eve of Christmas. Let's see what the parking situation is like.
Good.
We did come quite early. It is currently 8:30, and oh, there's heaps of parking. First order of action today, getting her some food because she hasn't had breakfast and she's hangry. Getting me some coffee. Okay, we are thinking of getting sashimi, but the line is so long. In fact, we were actually contemplating going to the fish market last night, but I think we were too tired. What did you get?
Some baby rolls.
Oh, can I have one?
You know what I'm saying?
Well, but then if you're getting baby rolls, then yeah, I want one. So, our brother has already pre-ordered the oysters, which is what he's collecting right now. This is the line when you don't have any pre-orders. We've got a trolley full of food. This is for tonight, today's the 24th, and also for tomorrow when all the shops are closed.
I need a coffee.
The last thing that we need to get today are lamb chops, and then we're pretty much done with shopping. What'd you get?
Lamb cutlets and a dent to my bank account.
What are you adding for your mango salad? Mango, avocado.
Prawn,
Nice.
cherry tomatoes, red onion.
We're having two dinners, Christmas Eve and also Christmas Day. So for tonight, we have a mango salad, we have some steaks, we have oysters, sashimi, and that's it. We might sneak a few prawns, that's meant to be for tomorrow, for today. And I just realized we don't have any carbs, so I should have made like a smaller prawn pasta. But we are going to I'm going to make some rice.
You actually could go and get stuff. It's not even 6. Yeah. And there's no peak hour. Roads are relatively quiet for Christmas Eve.
Okay, just got back. The whole trip took about 50 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. I was very quick. We've got all the goods. Now, let's start making the pasta. I've made this pasta before, so you guys actually what are you looking for? A pot. For our Christmas Eve dinner tonight, we have prawn and mango salad, we have prawn pasta, we have some sashimi, we have some steak, some oysters, and some prawns. So I want to try filming with this phone and also this mic that I currently have, but I just need to make a few little tweaks. Okay, this is filmed with just the iPhone microphone and this is filmed with a mic. Can you tell a difference? Anyway, for the remainder of this vlog, I will be filming all my videos with this mic. It is so sunny today. I don't know how you're driving without sunnies, but yes, today is the 25th of December. We are heading over to our parents' place again for another dinner. And I'm excited. There's more food today than yesterday. There's no pasta, there's no steak, but we have lamb. And we also have, oh, that's pretty much it in terms of the difference, right?
Oh, we got kingfish sashimi.
We got kingfish sashimi and
Another salad.
And our auntie's bringing a salad.
And we got ham.
We don't have, oh, we got ham. We don't have any carbs.
Potato salad.
I'm gonna petition for rice to be cooked. Okay,
What?
we're nearly there. We have just arrived. The ham is done. We're gonna start making some lamb chops and make the salad, and that's pretty much it. I think we can probably get everything done in like 30 minutes. Apparently, rubbing the cucumber makes it sweeter. Okay, we bought a bunch of sashimi. The kingfish and the tuna one is not yet sliced because it was way too busy and they weren't able to slice it for us. And so I am gonna be the sashimi slicer for today. Do you have faith in me?
I believe in miracles.
Okay, just done cooking everything. We've got oysters, we've got kingfish sashimi, tuna sashimi that I sliced, salmon sashimi, we've got prawns, 3 different types of salad. So we've got like super plain salad that I cut, and we've got potato salad, we've got a salad that my auntie made, and we've also got lamb chops and a ham. Are you proud of your ham?
No, it's been better.
How would you know? You haven't even tried it.
I just know.
Okay, so that's what we have for dinner tonight. It's pretty good, bro. Alright, and that is pretty much it for this video. If you've been following along for my Vlogmas series, thank you so much. Whether this is the first video that you've somehow stumbled upon or you watch videos that I put out every single week, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate it. Today is the last day of 2022. I don't know how it's possible that time went by this quickly. Time goes by faster the older I get. But this is also the last video that I'm posting for this year. I'm going to be taking a few weeks off of YouTube, but I'll be back with the first video of 2023 in mid-January. In the meantime, I'll still be posting on my Instagram stories, so you can follow me at It's Janice Fung. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great New Year's, and I'll see you next year. Bye. No, 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 don't toss it.
How good was that? You missed it. Want to do it again?
No, no, no.